Sleepy.
The giraffe is sleeping.
Isn't that fun? Man, his horn's like knocking my. Look at that. He can tear that off. You know. Buddy, get those lips around it.
Whoa.
Oh, now I got some yak spit or whatever this thing is.
And he's scratching up your car.
He's from Africa and they weigh about 140 to 150.
It doesn't say that they smell like yak.
Oh my gosh!
Is it recording?
Okay. Oh, okay.
Lily, look. Lily, look.
I don't like this guy very well. He's too much of my. Okay, we'll try this one more time. Oh. Come back here.
Oh my goodness. Go!
Oh, we tried it. Okay, we've had enough fun for the day.
Lily's like, I'm staying on this side.
The people behind us are taking pictures.
Oh, looks like something happened to this guy.
What?
Right here on his side. Oh, no. No.
You now became zebra bait.
Dad! Dad, look! Sister! Sister, look! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi.
That one's like way inside.
So I'm rolling my window up. Then no one is getting me. This one. What? Oh my gosh.
He was rolling in the dirt too.
Oh boy, you're a hard one.
Man, that one's like all the way inside. When's the last time you were at the dentist? I think you got some little gingivitis, maybe a little tartar.
He stopped laughing. Says hello there.
Uh-oh.
You got it, probably.
No. I can't see it, sister. I can't see it.
Lily's laughing. Ah! 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 Oh! Oh my goodness!
It says yummy.